Hello, we're going to talk a little bit about the inbox. So when you first log into the system, there's several places where you view your inbox. It comes right into the dashboard, as we talked about earlier. But if you click over here on the left side on the inbox, it actually, inside of the inbox, it's made to look like email, but basically it summarizes all of your referrals and all of your messages that have come across. So if you receive a message, an email notification will come over to you, sometimes a fax or an SMS or notification inside of our application that you've received a message. It'll bring you right to the message. It'll talk about the details of the message and the referral. And basically, it will allow you to respond to the message. So you can click on reply, and then what happens when you reply to the message is this information actually automatically goes to all the treating doctors that are associated with this patient. So you can also update, add, subtract those folks, but that shows up right in line in the patient history, which we'll talk about in just a minute. But inside of the inbox, you can compose the message quickly just by clicking on compose. You can select the doctor that you're sending it over to. Any information here, we have a WYSIWYG editor if you would like to bold, underline, italicize, change the color of the font, etc. Just kind of allows you to have things pop out a little bit more. If you would like to attach a patient to a message because you're communicating with a particular doctor about a patient, you just type in that patient, and then immediately that information, whatever you're typing in this message, will get stored in the patient history inside of RecordLinc. You can also attach additional files. So any kind of images or whatnot, there's no limitation of file size. Click on send, and immediately that doctor, that other user will receive a notification via email that you've sent them a message. All the information is immediately tracked right in line in the patient file there. Inside of the inbox also, everything is tracked, everything that you've sent. All the referrals that you've received or sent are also specifically pulled out. So the inbox is a summary of both messages and referrals. Here's the sent, which is everything that you've sent over, and then we have separate folders here for received referrals and then for sent referrals as well, which we'll talk about each of those in more detail in the following.